ATI High Current Master Module Contact Tip Replacement Procedure. Remove the socket head cap screw from the center of the insulator post. Remove the insulator post and the master contact tip. Discard the contact tip. Apply a liberal amount of non-hardening conductive silver grease to the mounting surface of the new contact tip. Insert the new contact tip into the insulator block and refit the center insulator post. Insert the socket head cap screw into the insulator post and secure. Tighten the M3 socket head cap screw to 10-inch pounds.